As twilight deepens and you softly close your eyes tonight, imagine the gentle unveiling of a wondrous truth. You are already perfect. This truth may feel like a tender whisper, initially unfamiliar and perhaps challenging to fully embrace. But in the calm, hushed stillness of this moment, it is safe for you to open your heart to this possibility. Tonight, through soothing and deliberate words, I will guide you to feel that deep within your essence. You are exactly as you are meant to be, perfect in every subtle, intricate, and luminous way. As your mind unwinds and your body nestles into a cocoon of comfort, let these words wash over you like tender tidal waves embracing a sandy shore. There is no destination you must reach, no task that demands your attention. Simply relax into the profound assurance that right now you are whole, complete, and beautifully perfect. Allow yourself, just for tonight, to gently release any lingering belief that you are incomplete or lacking in any way. Embrace this gift of acceptance as I lead you softly towards sleep, wrapped in the serene certainty that your life and your being are unique masterpieces, effortlessly deserving of love, admiration, and all life's gentle graces. Let's begin by bringing a gentle awareness to your breathing. With each soft inhale, invite a calming, cool mist of serenity into every cell of your body. With every exhale, imagine releasing remnants of tension as if they were delicate ribbons unraveling and floating away into a vast, clear sky. Feel the weight of your body sinking deeper into the welcoming softness of your surroundings. Notice how your shoulders loosen, your arms become unburdened, and your legs grow languidly heavy with the ease of surrender. Each tender breath carries away the weight of stress. Each exhale gently dissolving the tight knots of discomfort, drawing you ever deeper into a state of tranquil relaxation. Your heartbeat eases into a gentle rhythm, your breathing deepens, and your muscles relinquish their hold as if melting into a serene pool of calm. You are safe, deeply cherished, and exactly where you need to be. Let every moment of relaxation draw you further toward the comforting embrace of sleep, buoyed by the gentle assurance of tonight's nurturing journey. Now, envision a boundless, shimmering ocean spread out beneath a canopy of moonlit skies, its surface shimmering with silver light and calm. Imagine each wave rising gracefully, distinct, yet intrinsically part of the same infinite body, much like droplets of water in an endless sea. Here lies the metaphor of unity. Just as each individual wave is inseparable from the ocean, so too is every aspect of your life. A beautiful, singular expression of an all-encompassing reality. You are not an isolated fragment. Instead, you are a radiant embodiment of the love peace, and perfection that flow through the universe. In this breathtaking moment, accept that you are exactly where you are meant to exist, perfectly aligned with the endless expanse of life. As you gently explore this vision, a serene realization may blossom within you. That perfection is not about flawless details, but about the profound truth of simply being, harmoniously integrated with all that unfolds around you. This delicate insight softly dissolves any sense of separation, drawing you ever closer to an inner sanctuary of peace and self-acceptance. As your mind continues to unwind, take comfort in the extraordinary wonders revealed by neuroscience about your ever-adaptive brain. Envision it as a beautiful landscape, rich with potential, capable of forging new neural pathways, reshaping old beliefs, and transforming your perceptions in subtle yet enduring ways. With every thought, feeling, or belief you nurture, specific pathways light up like constellations in a midnight sky. The more you inhale the tender notion of inherent perfection, the more these empowering neural networks flourish, embracing this truth with every heartbeat. In the gentle descent towards sleep, your brainwaves settle into a peaceful rhythm, theta waves that sing the lullaby of receptivity and calm. In this relaxed state, your subconscious mind becomes a fertile garden, absorbing these tranquil affirmations and letting them weave into your very being. Reflect on this tender science. Neurons that spark in unison willingly wire together. Tonight, as you drift into a serene slumber, you are tenderly wiring yourself toward unconditional self-love and unwavering acceptance. Deep within, your mind is harmoniously acknowledging the comforting truth of your inherent perfection. Ancient wisdom, sung through the ages by mystical teachings, such as those found in the Kybalion, echoes this timeless truth. One profound ideology, the principle of mentalism, reminds us that the universe itself is a marvelous creation of the mind. Your thoughts, like gentle brushstrokes on a vast canvas, subtly shape the reality you experience. As you sink softly into rest tonight, feel the deep empowerment in knowing that your perspective has the power to shift toward embracing the perfection that lies within you. As the principle of correspondence so gracefully states, as above, so below, your inner harmony is mirrored in the world around you, drawing forth experiences steeped in peace and love. Similarly, the principle of vibration teaches that everything in existence is composed of energy, resonating at its own frequency. As sleep gently carries you away tonight, your natural rhythm aligns effortlessly with peace, gratitude, and love, raising your vibrational energy to effortlessly attract harmony and joy into every waking moment. As you edge closer to an embrace of deep, restorative sleep, Let these sacred affirmations seep softly into the sanctuary of your subconscious. I am inherently perfect, exactly as I am. My life unfolds in a tapestry of beautiful harmony. Each experience draws me closer to the light of self-realization and inner peace. My unique essence is both invaluable and profoundly needed. I embrace my wholeness with effortless grace. Tonight, my sleep is deep and serene, for everything is precisely as it should be. Let these gentle words echo in your heart, soothing your spirit and reinforcing a deep-seated belief in your perfect, whole, and radiant nature. Now, surrender gently to the serene pull of sleep. Imagine yourself drifting among softly glowing stars, each one a beacon of tender light guiding you through infinite tranquility. With every slow, measured breath, feel yourself sinking deeper into a restorative sleep, enveloped in a cocoon of safety and nurturing care. Deep within, know that as you sleep tonight, your subconscious mind continues to embrace these luminous truths, weaving them into the very fabric of your being. Allow yourself the freedom to drift away, letting your mind rest, your body rejuvenate, and your spirit soar amidst the comforting currents of this newfound serenity. You are perfect. You are deeply loved. You are immeasurably whole. Rest now as the gentle arms of sleep embrace you and carry you into a peaceful, restorative night.